Hi! So let's start our exercise on Kanban. Imagine you have 3 different customers, and each of them wants something different from you. Probably this is close to what you experience on a daily basis, being on multiple projects at the same time, right? So in our case, customer 1 wants you to write down all the numbers from 1 all the way down to 15. I want you to do this in a vertical manner, so from top to bottom, 1 all the way down to 15. Customer 2 wants you to write down all the letters from A to O. Again, starting at the top all the way down to the letter O. And customer 3 wants you to write down all the Roman numbers from Roman 1 to Roman 15, again in a vertical manner. Ultimately, you will end up with a matrix consisting of all the numbers from 1 to 15, all the letters from A to O, and all the Roman numbers from Roman 1 to Roman 15. I want you to create this matrix twice. In a first round, you work through this matrix in a horizontal manner. This means you try to serve all your customers simultaneously, probably similar to what you're doing in your real job, being on multiple projects. In this first round, you start out with your first customer, write down the number 1, then you move to the next one, write down the letter A, and then you move to customer 3, write down Roman number 1. Once you're finished with the overall matrix, you measure your time. This is your time T1, and you write it down in seconds. In a second round, I want you to go customer by customer. So instead of working on all of them simultaneously, you work on them one by one. Again, you measure your time. This is your time T2. In the end, you need to do a few calculations. First, you calculate delta T. Delta T is T1 minus T2 in seconds. Then you calculate to what extent you have improved, which is delta T divided by T1. And I want you to write this number down as a percentage. Once you've done this, feel free to go into the next video, and there we will debrief this together.